Hey, it's Kelly. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple banner for the holidays with the printable from forkeepskits.com. So you'll print it out, cut them out, and then grab a hole punch and do 2 holes in the top of each one. And then you can organize them however you want and string them up on whatever string you like. And you can make it as short or long as you need to. So I'm going to finish punching these and string them up and show you where I put them in my house. Thanks for watching.